Hello friends, good afternoon. Welcome to the Harry Sir Academy. Friends, finally I have completed my 75 hard days English challenge, and today I am going to share my journey of the 75 hard days English challenge with you. So my journey of the 75 hard days English challenge was very fantastic because I learned lots of things in this 75 hard days English challenge. I improved myself completely. I improved my English, but I came to know about my negative points. But in this 75 hard days English challenge, I worked on my negative points, and right now you can see the results. I can speak English without any hesitation and without any gap. And I want to talk to you why I needed to start this 75 hard days English challenge. Before starting this 75 hard days English challenge, I was not able to speak English with confidently. Because whenever I used to have group discussion with my friends, that time I knew that what should I speak, but I didn't know how to speak in English. Because in that time, whenever I got any opportunity to give random presentation in front of my friends, I was very hesitant, and it was a very negative point in my personality. That's why I thought I need to change my personality, and I started this 75 hard days English challenge. And I would like to tell you why you should start this 75 hard days English challenge. There are some things you should start this 75 hard days English challenge. The first thing is for changing yourself completely. Because when you start this 75 hard days English challenge, you will improve your English. But the another thing is that you will change yourself completely. You will change your way of speaking, your way of accent, and your personality completely. In this 75 hard days English challenge, you will follow 5 steps, and if you want to start your 75 hard days English challenge, you can watch my 75 hard days English challenge and you can start from there. And while following these steps, you will be disciplined and you will come to know about how to give the task to yourself and how to complete the task on time. And it is very important to give the task to yourself and just complete the task on time. And in the last, it is my favorite but very important, the value of everything. Because when you start this 75 hard days English challenge, you will come to know about the value of every single thing. Because in the starting, nobody knows the value of anything, but when they start, after that they will come to know the value of every single thing. And it is very important for learning some new things and for getting some new thing in your personality. And this is my journey of this 75 hard days English challenge, and it was not my journey. It was a very beautiful journey for me, and I learned lots of things in this 75 hard days English challenge. And I learned never procrastinate the work and never cut the corners. And it is the big lesson of my life, and I will never procrastinate the work and I will never cut the corners. And if you want to do this, you can follow us, and if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe our channel for getting some new things. And bye bye friends, this was my journey of the 75 hard days English challenge.